welcome back to my channel. I trust everyone is doing well. So in today's video I'll be showing you the traditional method on how to install crochet braids. Like, everyone knows how to do this, okay? Like, I know, but then I feel like it's been a while I did this type of hairstyle on my channel, so why not bring it back? I started filming this video about a week ago, but due to some reason, bad lighting, a lot of background noise and all that, I couldn't finish. So I've already installed this, which I'll be showing in a clip to show you my braid pattern and then how I started and everything you need to know. So I'll be showing the clips for you to see. So basically today is the final video where I'll be finishing up with the middle part right here. This is my back. And guys, it's been 1 week and my scalp has really grown out, all with the help of this product that I received from Zilaxi natural hair range of products. This is their hair growth oil. I just applied a few on my edges and then my scalp, and my hair has really grown out. It has really helped me out because I don't even have edges, but just look at how laid they are. So I'll make a whole new video about this product. I'll show you how to use the product in so many ways, so stay tuned for that. And so with that being said, let's just get right into the video. So for every crochet method, you obviously need a crochet hook. So I'll be using this type today, and maybe I'll be attaching on some hair accessories as well. I still don't know yet, but if I would, you would see me using this type. And of course my my hair, if you watch my previous hair tutorial, you would see that I pre-made these spring kinky crochet hair myself. So if you're wondering how to do this, or if you've not seen that video, make sure you check the description for the link to that video. Watch it and then come and watch this one, so at the end of the day you can have like a double pack of video. Alright, so let's go right into crocheting the hair. To begin installing the hair, I'll make sure that my latch is opened, so take note of that. Anytime you're doing a crochet, make sure that the latch is always opened. Slide the latch beneath your braids like this, okay, and then attach your crochet hair to it. Close the latch and then pull it through. And then for this hair, you don't need to make 2 knots. You can just tie it off once and you are okay. So as easy as that. It doesn't take any special technique or something. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate it one more time. Make sure that the latch is opened. Slide the latch through your braids. Attach your hair. Close the latch. Then pull it through, and then you can make your knots by tying it off. Alright guys, so that was the video. I hope you loved it and you enjoyed so much from it. I'll leave every details you need to know in the description section below, so make sure you check it out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it means a whole lot to me, guys. You have no idea. You guys should support me, please. Thumbs up this video, share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on any social media that you are on. Share this video on. It feels really soft. I have a total of 120 strands of these sprinkles on my head, and it's like paper. It feels so light. I used only 2 packs of the new Darling twist. I showed it in the how to pre-make this video, so I don't have a paper here yet, so make sure you check that video to know the kind of hair I used and all that. So it took me about, okay, so the first day it took me 1 hour for braiding and then installing, and then today it took me like 20 minutes. It's just 20 minutes to do the side, so about 1 hour and 20 minutes for this full head, which is not bad. It's pretty good. So make sure you thumbs up this video, share it, like it, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, do anything you need to do for me, guys, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.